It's become possible to find out quite easily if the future child is going to have health problems, allowing some parents to decide that they don't want to live with the burden of raising a sick child, choosing to abandon them. This is a story about a girl named Hannah. When her mother found out that she would be a little person, she abandoned her, leaving Hannah in an orphanage. Months went by, but no one wanted to adopt the poor child. Finally, a lovely couple, Jackie and Larry, decided to adopt the baby. They weren't worried about her condition. All they wanted was to give her a loving family. The new parents adored their daughter. 19 years have passed since then, and the girl has changed. But what will never change is our love of our subscribers. Like the video and subscribe to our channel. Jackie and Larry knew that raising a child that was different wouldn't be easy, but that didn't scare them. While all her peers were growing up, Hannah remained the same, and she noticed it. It's a rather rare condition. There currently are only about 100 such people around the world. Being different, standing out from everyone else, is very difficult for a child and a teenager. Hannah had a hard time at school. Everyone would look at her and even make fun of her. She had other conditions in addition to dwarfism, namely a heart disease and a brain aneurysm. Even at the age of 19, Hannah looked as if she was 5 years old. There was a boy at school that Hannah liked, but he told her that no one would ever date her. The poor girl was devastated. Fortunately, Hannah had sisters who looked out for her and spent time with her. They also had to protect her sister from bullies, always standing up for her. Soon the family had to face another problem. Jackie, the girl's mother, was losing a kidney and needed a donor urgently. Hannah couldn't watch her mother suffer and decided to secretly talk to the doctor. She wanted to know if her kidney would be a match for her mom. Despite it being a match, the doctors discouraged Hannah from being the donor, as her body was already weak and living without one kidney would be too big of a strain. Fortunately, a donor for Jackie came along soon. Hannah knows that people with her condition rarely live past 30 years, so she wants to live her life to the fullest. She takes dancing, singing, and acting classes. She loves Selena Gomez and even managed to get backstage at one of her concerts. Hannah has also appeared on many shows and even on one reality show called Little and Looking for Love. There she found her soulmate, her boyfriend Brad, who had the same condition. Unfortunately, shortly thereafter, Brad suffered a heart attack and passed away. Hannah knows that it could also happen to her at any moment, and she tries to enjoy every single day of her life. She has become an example for many people who feel like society doesn't accept them. Let's wish Hannah health and many years of life.